Check for advanced restart button in this particular ROM. As you can see, it's available. If you don't have that, you can use the traditional method to boot into recovery, like pressing the volume up button and power button simultaneously to boot into recovery. And the links for the latest firmware and the TWRP recovery I have already posted in community section, and I made a dedicated video on that. And go to wipe section here and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that is done, go to home section here, select install and select the micro SD card, and wherever you downloaded the ROM zip files, go there, but first flash the firmware always 12.5.5.0. as you can see, this is the latest firmware available for Poco X3. Once that has been done, go to home section here again and select install and select the ROM zip files. As you can see, Descendant OS Surya 12.1 latest ROM zip file available. I will get closer here. As you can see, with April 11 build with April security patch, it takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section here and again select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Again press this home section and select reboot and select the system. This is how the flashing method of Descendant was 12.1 with April security patch for Poco X3. In this video we are going to discuss about everything in detail regarding this ROM, bugs, features, and how is the Android 12.1 with this particular ROM and BGMI gameplay, especially in Sanok Bootcamp, and even the TDM and battery life. Will it support fast charging? Everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video. And here we go, it's booted into Descendant OS. Let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Sampath Poco X3 custom ROM reviews, and here we go. This is the Descendant OS with Android 12 April 5 2022 latest security patch available, and kernel user is 4.14.198 LAUM. You can read here. This is how the Descendant OS for Poco X3, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes and 2 seconds. You can see here the maximum is 152 and average is 144 and minimum is 91 million GIPS. That's how it is, and CPU is throttled to 86% of its maximum performance. Now flashing the custom ROM means you need main thing is the battery life, charging speed, and performance. Whether these things are good in this ROM, let's see one by one. Before that, the basic things are also very important, like dialer. Let's see here. Let me increase a little bit of volume. Okay, you will get direct video call feature in this particular ROM, and there is a call recording feature. No, there is no call recording feature in this ROM. That's how it is. If they added that, that would be better, but anyhow it's not available. And into the quick settings panel, this is a little bit different, but you can customize them. You can bring back the original thing as it was in the Android 12 style. Now first thing is regarding the benchmark results, I mean the performance. This is always a question for any particular ROM. 3,50,790 and temperature rise was just 0.2 degrees Celsius, and 2% of battery drop has been noticed during this testing. That's how it is. And even the Geekbench scores, it's not good. The Geekbench scores are only going to be better in MIUI Mint or any MIUI versions. As you can see, the single score is only 509 and multi score is 1633. It should like 572 and 1800 or 1900. That scores I seen only in stock ROMs and even the MIUI Mint ROM. That's why I always focus on those kind of ROMs. I will tell to have that as a main ROM or first priority. That's how it is. And the kernel has been said before also. This is the kernel used in this particular ROM. This means the performance of this ROM is really bad. No, not really bad, not even great enough, but definitely you can use it as a daily driver. As you can see, sliding the settings panel, it's smooth enough. Into battery usage, it is recorded time got 1 hour 12 minutes ago, and screen on time, okay, 59 minutes you can see here. That's good but not bad. That's how it is. And into display, let's check out, and there is an option like notification, lights and lock screen style. There is only 2 settings here. And into dark theme, use it. Is it in pitch black condition? Let's check. No, as you can see, this is not in pitch black condition, it's in gray type. But let's see the settings anywhere, and there is no customization in this ROM. Not really. Yes, that's how it is. There is no customization. Let's go to display again and turn off this dark theme. And colors, night light feature is available, and color keep it boosted. Natural is also fine enough. Saturated is given. Refresh rate per app is given. Additional display features has been given. You can enable this. And old tiles appearance, you can use this also. Data dashboard, and minimum refresh rate kept to 60, and peak refresh rate, let me keep it to 120 Hz. Tap to wake is given. As you can see right now, little bit faster compared to 60 Hz. I don't know whether my camera justify the 120 Hz here. That's how it is. It's really good. And into security, you get basic things like fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Let me show you. This is the face unlock. As you can see, it's fast enough. Once again, it's working fine. Even the camera axis or mic axis, whatever it is, you can see here, it's also working fine. That's very important in terms of security in Android 12. Now let's see the fingerprint unlock. It's quick enough, very good, really quick enough. Just tap, gets unlocked. That's how it is. And again, coming back into display, here you can see minimum maximum refresh rate, you can keep it here. Peak refresh rate and auto reload screen is there. Show battery estimation here. You swipe like that, you will get that information. This is the display settings you get. I don't think so there is an option to make it pitch black condition. That's the one thing they need to add in upcoming builds or anything like that. And into system, into gestures, system navigation, nothing is there here also. It's a very simple ROM. One of my subscriber, he liked this ROM. He said it was very good ROM. That's how it is. It depends upon each user, I mean each person to person, that some may like this particular ROM, some may not like the same ROM. That's how it is. And for most of them, this is going to be a balanced ROM. You will get very good battery life, also very good performance, and you won't get any extreme settings in BGMI. I will show you in within a time later. And into sound and vibration, you get all the basic settings. You can enable or disable from here. You get direct sound settings. You can choose the headphone type and reset from here. That's a clear speaker is there, and you can see here some of the options you can enable or disable from here. Basic things are working fine. For example, here default apps you can change here, and game settings you get game dashboard, do not disturb for game, like that. And special app access, you get plenty of options here. It's exactly like Pixel experience, a little bit tweaking it in this particular area. You can see here quick settings panel, you can change from here. And coming into wallpapers, as you can see, this is a 12.1 based widget. This is whatever you call, just sliding, it will get as a default wallpaper. And coming into widgets, again clock widget, it's available. Material U design, which is very important in Android 12 or 12.1, that is retained in this particular ROM. As you can see, this is a little bit, they changed it, as I said before also. Again and again I keep telling that. That's how it is. Basic things, and even the performance is also going to be very good. And location, I installed Google Maps here, and let me show you the safety net status test. It will get passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay and Google Maps, whatever app you want to use, like WhatsApp, MyGeo, everything will be going to be work fine in this particular ROM. You can use it as a daily driver. And let's say the BGMI gameplay. Here we go, this is the BGMI, and into the graphic settings you get smooth plus 90 FPS, no need to enable in settings. That's really good. And you can see the real-time FPS count on the left side on the screen of smartphone. You can adjust them, you can drag them. That's how the gaming mode pre-installed with any stock ROMs. and we'll be seeing in boot camp. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, guys, and also allow that bell notification. Whenever I upload a video, you'll get notified. And many people watching my videos but not subscribing my channel, have a subscribe on my channel. And also, if you like the video, give it a like. We'll see this in BGMI, I mean in Sanok bootcamp. And also, let me unfollow. Okay, and also in TDM I will show you how is the actual performance in gaming. It depends, guys. Few ROMs will have very good gaming experience but does not have the actual performance. That how it is. And you can see here it's constant 90 FPS. I haven't seen this before. Now it's dropped to 68, 80, 74. Again it is around 60 to 80 like that, and now it's 89, 90 also. That's how it is. And your mobile internet connection should have very good connection. That's also matters, not just the ROM or whatever it is. Everything should be fine enough, then only you will have very good gameplay on any custom ROMs, also even in stock ROMs also. And if you enable gyroscope and keep some other settings, then it will be even better. Oh no, as you can see, again with same graphic settings set to smooth plus 90 FPS in this TDM. Let's see how it handles. Phone is not getting warm, that I really liking. From last few ROMs it is happening, like it is staying cool. Before it was getting a little bit warm. Someone is here. You can see the real-time FPS count here. I might not saying it. And loudness is also fine enough. You can see here it is around 72%. As you can see, this gameplay is smooth enough. I'll come back, and coming to verdict, you can definitely use it as a daily driver. And as you can see, the camera application I have installed here, the Gcam port. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports. Here also there is a camera pre-installed in this particular ROM. Let's see what is this camera and more settings about this app. This is 8.4. This is also very good. You can use this Gcam port also. You will get that wide angle settings. Into more settings, you need to go to auxiliary options. Before that, into advanced. Let me go back. Modification settings. Yes, you need to go into modification settings and again select auxiliary camera and enable these two. Okay, let me enable this and enable this wide angle and keep this ID to not 3, then it will be better. This was the camera application used in Pixel Experience also. As you can see, 0.6x zoom, I mean wide angle camera comes into picture. You can take the videos too. As you can see, it's working fine. That's how it is. If you want, you can use this Arno build Gcam also. Both the Gcams are working fine simultaneously. That's really good in this particular ROM. And coming to DRM info, here you will get level 1 certification. You can use all the OTT applications while watching it in HD resolution. That's not the problem. In mobile data connection is also fine, and there is no problem in earpiece, and even the headphone jack volume is also fine enough. You won't get any Dolby Atmos or anything like that. Simple direct settings has been used here in this ROM. That's how it is. I hope explained everything. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver. In comparison, there are many other ROMs, but this is very simple and also you get smooth plus 90 fps. Who are looking for that with simple with no customization, then they can look this, and that is the biggest minus for this particular ROM. If you want to see more customization, then this is not for you. That's all guys in this video. As you can see, this is how the recent apps here, you can see you can clear them, and regarding RAM management, it's also fine. That's all guys in this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.